Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be solving the biology paper for 061022 February March 2023 paper. It is the multiple choice paper and it is the most recent paper. The results had just come 1 week back for this examination. So let's get started. Question number 1. What is used as a means of classification? A. The number of strands of mRNA. B. The shape of DNA molecules. C. The sequence of bases in DNA. And D. The type of bases in DNA. Now, as a means of classification, the sequence of bases in the DNA is used because that is what differentiates one organism or one particular species from another. So the correct option is C. Question number 2. How many jointed legs does an insect have? Now, this is something you should know and learn for arthropods, for every type of arthropod. So for insects, it's B, 3. Now let's come to question number 3. The photomicrograph shows a cell from a type of aquatic plant. Now, the keyword over here is aquatic plant. Which label parts indicate that this is a plant cell? Now S is actually a chloroplast, so it has to be S. Now, where are the options for S? B and D. Now, B has the option for P as well. And P is pointing towards the nucleus, which even an animal cell has. So it's probably not B, but let's move on to Q. Now, Q is showing the cell wall. We know that plants have a cell wall, but animals do not. So we know that the correct option for question number 3 is D. Moving on to question number 4. The diagram shows a red blood cell. The actual diameter of the cell is 7 micrometers. What is the magnification of the cell? Now let's look at this. Now we can remember this using the acronym MIA. Magnification equals to image size divided by actual size. Now we need to find the magnification. So the image size is 49 millimeters. Now the micrometers. So if 49 is actually in millimeters, where 7 is in micrometers. So now the correct option for question number 4 is C, which is multiplied by 7,000 times. Now remember the acronym MIA. Magnification equals to image size divided by actual size. That's very important because if you forget it in the examination, that you can remember it using this. Question number 5. Which molecule crosses a partially permeable membrane during osmosis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Urea. D. Water. Now, osmosis is the movement of water specifically, so the correct option is D. Moving on to question number 6. The graph shows the rate of uptake of magnesium ions by two similar plants, X and Y. The roots of each plant were placed in a range of solutions. Each solution contained a different concentration of magnesium ions. All other conditions were kept the same. Rate of uptake, concentration. Okay, what is possible explanation for the difference in the results of the two plants? Plant Y has few protein carriers for magnesium ions in its cell membranes. Now that is a correct statement. Plant Y has a higher rate of respiration. Now that has nothing to do with the uptake. Plant Y has more root hair cells. Again, that does not matter. And D, the root hair cells in plant Y have a lower water potential. It does not matter because it's transported by active transport. So our correct answer is going to be, for 6, it's going to be A. Moving on to question number 7. Which substance is used to test for food for vitamin C? The correct answer for this is DCPIP solution, which is B. In DNA, what is the correct base pairing? Now, you can remember this using GCAT. G goes with C, A goes with T. Now, A goes with T. So we got the answer for 8. It is D. Question number 9. What remains at the end of an enzyme control reaction? Enzymes and products, or enzymes and substrates, enzymes only, or products only? Enzymes and products remain because the enzyme also does not get used up. So the correct option is going to be A. Question number 10. Which feature explains the specificity of an enzyme? A complementary shape of active site and substrate. That is a correct statement. Denaturation at certain pH values. Now that does not explain the specificity of an enzyme. So the correct option is going to be A. 11. A plant is placed in the dark until all its stored starch is used up. The plant is placed in light with black paper over part of one green leaf. After 8 hours, the leaf is tested for starch. Which diagram shows the appearance of the leaf after this test? In this case, the correct answer is going to be B, because these are the areas which is not covered by the the black paper, sorry. Moving on to question number 12. The diagram shows part of a cross-section of a leaf. Which row shows the correct labels? R is cuticle, yes, that is correct. S is palisade mesophyll, that is also correct. T is spongy mesophyll, that is right. So the correct option is A. Moving on to question number 13. The diagram shows the different types of human teeth. Which teeth are used for grinding food? The correct option for this one is actually again A, because 1 is used for it, 2 is used for biting and cutting, 3 is not used for grinding, and 4 is used for tearing food. So the correct option is A. Moving on to question number 14. The diagram shows a villus. Structures P and Q absorb different products of digestion. Which row identifies the products absorbed by P and Q? Now for this one, the correct answer is C, glucose and fatty acids. This is actually the lacteal. Q is the lacteal, it absorbs fatty acids. And P is actually going to the capillaries, so its correct answer is glucose. The correct option is C. Moving on to question number 15. The arrow shows the movement of substances from soil into a root hair cell. Which substance moves from the soil into the root hair cell? The correct option for this is D, water and mineral ions. We're only going to be solving up to question number 20 today. Let me know in the comments section if you want me to do more. Question number 16. By which process does water escape from stomata in the leaves? Now the correct option is B, diffusion. Question number 17. Which row about the circulatory system is correct? The correct answer is A. And question number 18. The graph shows pressure changes that take place in the right atrium, right ventricle, and left ventricle of a human heart when the muscle walls contract and relax. What is the pressure in the right ventricle when the left ventricle is at its maximum pressure? The correct answer is 3, because this is the left ventricle. The sequence of amino acids and antibodies enables them to complete which function? Now the correct answer is A, bind to a specific antigen. And our final question for today, the table shows some of the changes that occur during breathing. Which changes occur to cause inspiration? The correct answer is C, X, Y, and R. Thank you for watching this video. If you want me to continue tomorrow, let me know in the comment section below. I will also attach the question paper in the description box. So subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.